been raining here for like a week. So the river, I mean, you can see the tree like right here. The river is way above flood stage. It stopped for a second and it's supposed to clear it by tomorrow, but we're supposed to have more rain come in later on. It's crazy. There's a tree right in the middle of the water. Man, it is crazy. Yeah, so I just want to come down here just to get that angle on so you can really see the water, like see how high it is. I'm telling you, man, the rain's been nuts here. Oh yeah, there's Nissan Stadium. It's like the only place you can come park and then walk down by the river and not have to like pay 20 bucks. Yeah. Rainy day. It's supposed to be sunny tomorrow though, I swear. Dude, I almost got the board out. I was gonna get the longboard out, but I don't feel like getting like soaked.
Came through dripping Aquafina, I'm sipping 15, kept a weapon on me. Flow make digits, I'm on my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, hey, you want us run when I tell a big piece. Love is love. Till I'm finished, had a handful of lemons through the hand, got a bag, now the hands in the business. For my hand, it's a ticket, talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it. I've been.
I don't think he's doing much singing. It's kind of quiet. Can I help you? Can I help you, buddy? Where you been? Where you been, buddy? Where you been? Hey, buddy. Where you been? Huh? Where you been, buddy? Huh? Yeah. We're back. I'm gonna hang around the house for a while today because, well, that's what you do when it's raining outside and it's flooding everywhere. So it's supposed to, like, I'm really counting on tomorrow for it to be sunny. So I'm gonna get all the stuff that I need to get done around the house today, so I don't have anything in my way to really go out tomorrow, because we've been looking for the sun for 2 weeks. So I'm really excited to see it tomorrow. But first, we gotta take this one outside. You ready to go on a walk, buddy? You wanna go outside? Huh? You wanna go outside? Huh? You wanna go outside? She wants to go outside. Take her for a walk. Layla, what are you doing, buddy? You wanna tell everybody hello? You gonna vlog for a minute? Huh? You gonna vlog? Tell them what you got going on, buddy. Tell them what you got going on. Yeah? What else you got going on, buddy? That was her update. That was Layla's update.
Flow make digits, I'm on my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be.